Welcome to the tutorial video for dealer access to the DriveSure activation portal. Your DriveSure experience begins here at dealer.crexinc.com. Let's get started. First, enter your username and password. Remember, your password is case sensitive and must include at least one capital letter and one number. Once you are logged in, confirm your name is correct in the upper right-hand corner. Notice you are on the activation screen. Here is where you copy and paste the VIN from your DMS and type in the vehicle mileage. Then hit the search button. If the customer has already been in your service department and DriveSure has successfully linked with your DMS, simply confirm the customer information is correct on the screen. If not, all you need to enter is the customer first name, last name, email, and vehicle model. Now that you have confirmed the vehicle, select the benefit period you want displayed on the windshield sticker and click the blue Print Sheet button. A window will pop up displaying the customer's activation sheet. Click Print again to send the sheet to the printer. Finally, confirm the printer you wish to print to, which usually has a DriveSure or Crex name in it. Click Print just one last time and you're done. The customer's benefits are instantly active. The sheet can be presented to your customer and the sticker ready to be placed in the windshield. Now you are back in the activation interface, ready to enter the next customer VIN.